my channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cook my garlic roasted Brussels sprouts. So, okay, I got my Brussels sprouts already cut, so I saved a few so you can see how I really did it. Let me move this over. So, okay, I've kind of let mine soak in some water to clean it with a little baking soda. For like an hour, then I let them dry with paper towel, and so they dry pretty good. So you just cut this end off here. So if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. Okay, now you just turn it over and then go down the middle, right here. Just go down the middle. And you're gonna have some leaves that's gonna fall off. Just discard those leaves. This is like a bad one here, but I'll pull that leaf off. Okay, now you take it and you pull the loose leaves off like that. And just lay it on my sheet here. And this is a simple recipe. It only consists of a pound of Brussels sprout, which I have about 2 pounds. And I have it's a teaspoon of garlic powder, but this is for a pound. I have 2 pounds. You have to double this on your spices. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then you have a 1.5 tablespoon of melted butter. But I'm not going to use butter. I'm going to use olive oil. It's up to you. See how that leaf is loose? Just take that off. Pull that off. And I'm going to put a little extra paprika on mine. Just for color. It makes it pretty. I'm about to run out of room on this baking sheet. Okay. This one, just pull the loose leaves off. Okay. Let me get this out of the way. And I got my oven already preheated for 400. And it's gonna stay in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put my put the garlic powder, paprika, and then the salt. Like I said, this is no measurement on my salt, on my seasoning. You can put less or you can put more. Make sure you put your garlic on every one of them, because the name of my recipe is garlic roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, now the next one is gonna be my paprika and my salt. And I'm gonna use the Laura seasoning salt. You can use regular salt if you like. Okay. So now it's gonna be my Laura seasoning salt. And this is a low sodium. Okay. And then I got my olive oil. I'm not measuring it, but if you're gonna do a pound of Brussels sprouts, just do 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter, or like I'm doing, you can use olive oil. So just put it all over like this, and you're gonna take your hands and get in there and just make sure you get all the seasoning in with your olive oil. Just rub it all together just like that. And make sure you preheat your oven so you can have it already hot. I want to flip mine back over on the side that I started on to get that pretty color from the paprika once they're done. And this is a quick and simple recipe. And you can do it in advance. You can have it all cut up the night before and season, and with your olive oil on there. And then all you have to do is slide it in the oven. Okay, just about got them all turned over. Some of the leaves, if they fall off, just try to get it out. And okay, so so I got them all turned back over here. Well, you don't have to do that. I just like turning mine back over because that paprika is gonna cook so beautifully. So okay, that's it. So now I'm just gonna slide this in the oven for 20 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so when I get back, I'm going to show you my finished product. I'm back with my finished product. Getting ready to take my Brussels sprouts out the oven. So I cooked it 20 minutes, plus I cooked it another 8 minutes. You know, because that's the way I wanted it, you know. I know the less you cook it, the crunchier it is, the more healthier it is, but that's the way I did it. Let me get one here and kind of taste it. It cuts pretty good. Okay. It's delicious. Tastes good. I know you all hear me say that on all my videos. It's delicious, but it is delicious. Okay? Not too much salt. That's why I say you can adjust your own seasoning. So I'm gonna give you a good picture. Give you a good picture, a close-up picture of my Brussels sprouts. Okay, that's a close-up picture. Let me come over here to the light where you can kind of see it real good. There you go. That is beautiful. Okay. Okay. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.